Kendall Jenner has officially walked in her second Victoria Secret Runway fashion show. The Victoria Secret fashion show just went down, and trust me when I say our girl Kendall Jenner totally slayed it by rocking the runway in some seriously sexy ensembles. Jenner's first look was a black and white getup consisting of a strapless lace bra, matching barely there panties, and black feathered angel wings. This look is totally giving us sexy tuxedo vibes, but the not so safe for work version. Later, Kendall brought the heat when she strutted down the runway wearing Asian-inspired blue and red feathered wings, bright red lingerie, and matching fiery red thigh-high boots. It goes without saying, but the girl's body is banging. Did she not eat turkey on Thanksgiving? I am still trying to get rid of my food baby. Anyway, we aren't the only ones who love this look. Mama Chris posted her look on Insta, captioning it saying, "My gorgeous little angel." While this should be an exciting time for the model, some critics couldn't help but to chime in about her new wings. The wings are usually given to seasoned veterans like Adriana Lima, Alessandra Ambrosio, who have both worked with the lingerie brand for years and are most often associated with it. And so naturally, with Jenner and Hadid's wing status this year, came disgruntled Victoria's Secret fans who didn't believe the two young models had earned the right to wear them. Ouch. But I want to hear from you guys. What did you think about Kendall's looks? And do you think she deserved her wings or not? Dish it out in the comment section below, and then don't forget to click right here to get all your pop culture news from today. I'm your girl Jackie IDNEC. Thanks for watching.